You'll lower yourself down to your roller with control, making sure that the roller lines up with the head, the spine, and your pelvis. Your legs are about shoulder width apart. And let's take the arms out to the sides. Yeah, so almost like a T formation with the palms facing down. And just feel the weight of your body on the roller. And just feel how the roller supports your spine. And just by laying here for the few seconds that we have been here, you can already feel how it opens up the chest. Stretches the chest muscles, which tend to be tight because gravity pulls everything forward. Now what I'd like for you to do is take a deep breath in with me, in through your nose, and force the breath out through your mouth like you're forcing it out through a straw. And as you do so, pull your abdominals in, tilt the pelvis back, and press your lower back into the roller. Press the rib cage down into the roller. So this is what we want to use to help support us through the movement. This next exercise is called rolling side to side. So keeping this imprint of the spine, you're going to shift your weight over to the right. And as you go over to the right, you're going to roll the roller over the muscles on the left side of your spine. You can even gaze over to the left and then return to center. Do the same thing over to the left side, rolling over the muscles along the right side of your spine and then returning to center. So you're just going to keep going, shifting side to side. Continuing to draw your belly in, imprinting your spine. And just rolling from one side to the other, just to the point where you almost feel like you're going to fall off, but you don't. And then you use your abdominals to bring everything back to the center. Okay, let's do this one more time to each side. Okay, and returning to center. Okay, now continue to pull your abdominals in and imprint the low back. The arms are going to now move closer to the body, and now we're just going to lift them up to the sky. Allow the palms to face one another. Arms are long, shoulder blades pull down towards the floor. For shoulder slaps, we're going to reach up to the sky, lifting your shoulder blades away from the roller. And then suddenly draw the shoulder blades down, but keeping your arms long. So let's inhale as we reach up. Exhale, draw the shoulder blades down. So keep going. And as you do this, we are protracting and retracting your scapula bones, which are part of the shoulder girdle. And your scapula bones just float and glide on the back of the ribs. This is a great way to relieve upper back tension and stiffness and pain. Let's do this twice more. Good. Now from here, keep the shoulder blades pulling down towards the floor, but also feel the shoulder blades glide down towards your hips so that your shoulders aren't in your ears. Continue to pull your belly in and imprint the back of your ribs into the roller and allow the front of your rib cage to soften down. And we're going to go into an exercise called arm reaches and also spine lengthening. So we just take a deep breath here. And as we exhale, we reach the arms back overhead. And as you reach your arms back, try not to let the back arch or the rib cage to flare. Feel as though the center of your body, your abdominals, are anchoring the torso and lengthening the shoulders and the spine. Now let's lift the arms up to that starting position. Arms shoulder width apart, shoulder blades pull down. Take a deep breath. And exhale as you reach your arms back. And just by doing this, not only are we lengthening the spine, we're also creating more space between the ribs. And when we have more space between the ribs, those muscles get to stretch. It helps us to take deeper breaths. Inhale as the arms lift. Exhale as they reach back. Let's do this 3 more times. And again, remember, it's not so much about what's moving, it's about what's not moving. So remember that your focus should mainly be on maintaining the stability in the center of your body. I think we have 1 more left. Sometimes when you're teaching, you lose track of how many reps you've done. Okay.